Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to deal with something that is very simple: folding the concave and convex curves of your top line. As you can see, the top line is already skived. What do we need? Scissors, gum, brush, and any pointy thing like a nail. Let's get into it. Apply glue to the top line and spread it out with your brush. Then the next thing will be to start folding on the straight parts of the top line, like this part that's adjacent to the eyelets, like so. Then we will deal with the convex parts by first adding cuts, notches into it, so that when we fold, before we start folding, let's outline the top line clearly so that we are folding exactly on the line. Having outlined it, we will start dealing with the concave area by folding it and pulling it outwards as we are folding. As you can see, I'm pushing outwards, and just gradually graduating to that convex area. When you get to that convex area, you'll see that there is an indentation that comes upwards. You just use your awl and follow it notch after notch on the line that you outlined earlier, and there you have it. Let's observe a minute of silence for the victims of police brutality in Nigeria. So let's do the same thing over again. We start out by folding the parts that are on the straight line. We have already cut our notches on the concave area, so we fold it towards the convex area by pulling outwards and pulling outwards on that line until we get to this part where we have this inclination. Then we simply use our awl to follow along the top line, making several pleats. And there we have it. We can hammer it in place and hammer everything in place. I just thought to share this quick video with you. Try it out and see if you could have perfectly folded top lines of your own. Until we meet again on the next video, have a lovely weekend and God bless you.